Hola YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys seen by the title, today we're going to be doing a first impression on the 1212 Gateway by Catherine Paitas. She is the Ace family's wife. And when I first saw that she was coming with skincare, I was like, ooh, I'm in, because I love skincare, makeup, and I feel like in this space, there's space for everybody. If you have a passion for it and you're going to come out with Balm products, why not? Okay, so first off, before I even start, because I have a lot of stuff to say. Okay, and this is, I'm gonna keep it 100, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. Congratulations. I know this is starting with your own brand is one of the hardest things. I have friends who have done it and it's not easy. It's like giving birth to a baby and you just kind of like for the ride and let's see where things go, and you try to perfect things. Sometimes the first round is not perfect. So I'm just here to give my opinion as a consumer, because I did buy it. I didn't get it for free. So yeah, so the first thing that I experienced when I first got it, that I was very upset. It literally came on the Gateway box. I love that they have their thing, but I wish that it would have been more secure. It just had this little tape to stop it, and it was thrown in my front door. When I first opened it, the carton was ripped right here, and this too were like this. So I was like, I wish I would have spent more time in kind of securing the package, because it is glass, and what if it would have broke, it would have leaked, it would have just do something. And in my opinion, when I first got it, I was like, oh, so they just got my money and they were like, fuck, you already gave us already. You know, so that was my first disappointment. I was like, okay. Like, I understand that whole having their own box. I just feel that they would have done it a little more secure. That was my first thing. Second thing, when I opened the box, my second impression, I was like, I paid $100 for sample sizes? Oh, really? That kind of like pissed me off a little, okay? And I felt like the moisturizer was gonna be bigger than the eye cream, and it's the same size. So here you have the sizes. So the eye is a little more taller, and then you have the cream is a little more flat. But you guys get the point. It's like the same amount of situation. Yeah, the eye cream is 0.042 ounces and the moisturizer is 0.56 ounces. The moisturizer will last you probably 2.5 weeks, pushing 3 weeks if you wear moisturizers every day like you should, morning and night. I'm going to compare it to a ColourPop glitter side. It's not that far off. The moisturizer that I use is by First Aid, one of my favorites. I do have really sensitive skin, so this is kind of like... I do wear a lot of moisturizer because I have like dry to combination skin, and I do have to moisturize a lot. So in that, I was like, oh, okay, $36 for this, and now I think $24 or $36. And this right here, the regular size that is like right here, is $36. So this will last you literally like 2 years. I started this last year, like in January, and we're about to be in January, and I have like, you can't see it because of the lighting. Let me see. It's like half. You can't see it, but I'm used to using a lot of moisturizer. Okay, so from there, I saw that and I was like, okay, well, all right. I paid $100 for sample sizes. Here we go to give it a first impression to see how it goes. Third, I saw a barely similarity to Tarte Cosmetics skincare. They have like the purple with the blue color fade. I will have a picture of the Tarte stuff right here. It reminds me of the same stuff. They're probably made on the same factory. I don't know where they're made at, but I'll probably look it up where they're made at. But this is, oh, they're made here in Santa Cruz, California. That's where they're made. Okay. So yeah, it gave me kind of like the same vibe as Tarte. Then after I saw the pictures, the promotions, I do have to say Catherine is such a gorgeous person. Like when I think of her, I think of skincare. I think of tinted moisturizer. I think of no makeup, because that's what I'm not like a big watcher of their channel, but when I do see her videos pop up on YouTube or on Instagram, like their photos, even when she gets done up, that one of my friends does her makeup and she does amazing makeup of her. I think she's her only makeup artist. She does amazing, because what Catherine does, she enhances her beauty. She doesn't add what's not there. And when my friend does her makeup, she does a beautiful job. I do have something to say though, and I already told her this, so this is not gonna be no shade, no thing. I felt like the campaign, Catherine had too much makeup for a skincare line. Like when I think of skincare, I think of skin, I think of pores, I think of dewy. I don't care like what you believe in, if you believe in the stars or the moons or the crowd passing or the cow or Jesus walking on top of water. When I think of skincare, I think of fresh, water, clean face, moisturize, hair pulled back, very like, ooh, I want to dip in that moisturizer, I want to dip in that cleanser. She had a matte lipstick on, and I was like, she looks beautiful, but why does she have so much blush on? This is skincare, you know, and I already told my friend this, like, this is not something to be shady. If I would have just saw her commercial, her like selling video, I would have believed that she would have come out with like rock stuff that people collect and stuff. I'm not into that stuff, but like astrology stuff, it didn't sell me makeup. I saw that she was walking on water and saying, this is gonna give you a cup of water, take care of your skin, take care of whatever she was saying, and I was like, this is not giving me skincare. Like, I was very lost. I was thinking she was selling literally rocks or like cards to like read horoscopes. No shade, that's what I got. But she's very into that. That promotion photo right here, she does look good, like it looks dewy, but she has, I don't know if it's the lip color, it's just a lot of makeup. She has lashes and she has brown liner here. I'm like, why does she have that on? This is skincare. I want to see skin. Give me skin. I want to see close up. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see you walking in lights, different colors that is covering the skin what you're trying to sell in a video. So that really, I was like, okay, well, we're going to give it a chance. So that's where I'm at with everything. And I kind of came a little cross because I'm just like, will this work for everybody? We're going to see. So I'm going to go to my bathroom right now and we're going to give it a try first impression. And let's see where we go. So now we are in my bathroom. I'm going to start off with the cleansing oil. I was very excited that she came out with a cleansing oil because cleansing oil is where it's at now. Let me see. So this is a Summer Beauty Oil. Apply your luxurious beauty oil anywhere, anytime you need a little pampering, avoiding the eye. This is a regular oil. I thought it was a cleansing oil. Oh, I'm sad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with my oil then because I do need the cleanser. Let me do that and I'll be right back, and then I go in with the washer. I'll be back. Hold that. You guys, started raining out of nowhere and it literally scared me because I was like, what is that? Okay, so I'm gonna grab her cleanser. The cleanser is, it said that it was very delicate. This is apply morning and evening to damp skin and rinse with water. I'm gonna use my little spatula clean. I love these things. I'm gonna have the link down below. I get it from Amazon. It's the antibacterial thing. I used to use the brush. What is this? But I feel like the brush was messing up my skin, so I don't do the brush anymore. I just love this and I change it every month. So I'm gonna grab, maybe I only do, oh, it's very milky. I like, okay, so it comes out like really little. I normally get like, I'll probably would need 3 pumps of this. I'm gonna wet it a little. It feels like, smells very honey and like it feels milky and I like that. So I'm gonna start to rub it in the skin. It has a very clean smell, plus to that. But it does have a little bit of fragrance. I did screenshot what is the things that I have on it. Let me see. It says that evaluate your skincare with Argento Jet Effective Foaming Cleanser made with olive sugar and coconut base. I'm allergic to coconut stuff in my face. All right, let's hope for the best. But you wash it off, so I think I'll be fine. This formula prevents dermal stress and protects the skin from moisture loss while lifting away excess oils, leaving your skin smooth and supple. Okay, so I'm gonna scrape it a little with this because I do have to, I'm cleaning my face a little bit, so. This is that. It doesn't give you a lot of, how do you call it? Esponjitas. A lot of like foam, and I like that. I feel like sometimes a lot of foam, it's like just a show and nothing is being cleansed, so I don't mind it being just settled like this. So maybe I have to put a little more, but it's so little that I'm like, I don't want to waste it because if I like it, hello, you know. It feels good in the skin. Let me grab a little, I'm gonna grab a little of my finger just to see like how it feels. It feels very milky. I like it. I'm gonna see. Oh, see that? Okay, I really like how it feels. Not a strong smell at all. So I'm with it. I'm with it. All right. And if you don't want to use this because this helps to exfoliate your skin, you could just wash your face like this with your fingers. It's enough for 60 seconds and that's good. If you have makeup on, make sure you do your cleanse oil, all those steps, because if you just do this, you're not taking off the makeup. So I didn't have anything on. I had a sunscreen on, moisturizer from the morning. So this is just a little bit of that. And rub it in. Let me wash it off. My skin feels really good. My skin is so sensitive that I know when something's gonna break me out. It's like the crazy, but this smell is not strong. So with my sensitive skin, if you have sensitive skin, I think this will be good. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted on my IG because I'm gonna use it for like a week. This is just my first impression, okay? So we're just trying the things for the first time. The cleanser so far, I like how it felt. And it left me kind of like a minty feeling, very fresh. I like that. It didn't say that it had mint, but I like that. Okay, second, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the eye cream. Let me smell it. I feel like it's gonna smell the same as the moisturizer. It doesn't smell like nothing, and I love that. I don't feel like skincare should have smell. When it has smell, run, okay? It doesn't. I like that. But to keep it 100 with you guys, I am not. This is how much eye cream you should be putting on. So this should last you a cute 3 months, or maybe more than that. I'm not an eye cream person. I try to be, but I'm not. And I like more of a thin eye cream formula. But it doesn't feel bad. It feels cute. Okay, when you rub it in, it feels nice. It dries right away. I'm normally used to when I wear eye cream that I should all the time, but I don't. It's more of a liquidy. So yeah, but it feels really good on the skin. Okay, so before we go in with moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with my serums because I need my serums, okay? This is the Tnt Advanced Serum from Skin Medica. This is more mature skin. I'm not like mature, but I'm about to be 32, so it's better to start preventing. So putting the serums in, rub it in the skin. You always have to rub everything up, but sometimes I forget. I'm like, my skin like ready. I don't want to do too much. Okay, so now jumping to the last step that is gonna be the moisturizer, the one that I was more disappointed about because it's so little, and I'm like, oh my gosh. You know, this one right here this one gives me kind of like the smell of the cleanser. Very clean, slightly vanilla lavender, but I'm not mad about it. Like there's sometimes when you open moisturizer, you're like, what is this, a Bath and Body Works? Like, ma'am, we don't need all that fragrance and moisture and skincare. Run, like I said. So in here, I'm gonna grab this much and we're gonna work it in the skin. I'm a little excited though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just disappointed on the size. That's it. And I'm gonna work it. Ooh. Okay, very thick. It don't give me, you could use less than that. I kind of went in. It feels very thick on the skin. I don't know if I like that. Hopefully it don't break me out. Sometimes this clog my pores and I'm like, but it does leave my skin really dewy. Look at that. What? Okay, we will see. If my face starts itching or something, I will let you guys know by tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys how my skin looks in the morning. I'm literally gonna get the camera and be like, you guys, this is it. Because my skin is so sensitive that right away, the next day you will be able to tell, wow, it broke you out. It gives me rashes. I'm the sensitive skin girl. So if you're like me, we kind of will go through the same thing. The eye cream, I love cleanser. I love moisturizer. I'm a little iffy, but I will tell you guys tomorrow. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the lip balm. I'm excited about the lip balm. I love lip balms. I feel like this lip balm is huge too. Ooh, very, I like it. I'm gonna have this by my bed. I like the lip balm. Ooh, nice. And then the beauty oil, I'm just gonna apply it on my hands to show you guys how it looks. I'm just very scared to put this on my face, to tell you the truth. I'll probably, ooh. It has a little bit of color. I probably will use it for my legs. I have to put like, oh nice. Okay. I like it. I don't know what happened here. I don't know if I got a bit or something, But I'm gonna use this in my hands. It feels nice, a little thick. A little thicky. I'll probably use it on my legs, and probably one day I'll use it on my face, but I don't know. I will come back tomorrow to show you guys how my skin looks in the morning, and then close out with everything. I know I was very with it, but when it comes to skincare, you have to like mark for everybody's like needs. You know, you can't just come out with one thing and be like, this is gonna fix your whole problems, and just, there's a lot of different skin, and people think that we want product is gonna fix. No, you need treatment. Sometimes you need different products. You need to go to a dermatologist. Like, there's so many things. So that's why I kind of went in. Skincare is very serious. But I will come back tomorrow, like I said, to tell you guys what I think. So yeah. So we're back. It's next morning. You can hear it in my voice. I have my deep, manly voice. Also, my eyes are really swollen. But I do have to say, the moisturizer didn't break me out. Normally, my skin is so sensitive. When something reacts, I get milia everywhere, and that's like the little white bumps. And it didn't. My face feels really, really soft. Do I recommend the products? Sure. It's cute products. Like, it's not something that is gonna fix any condition that you have in your skin. Like, I'm gonna keep using the cleanser probably like after I work out. Like, it doesn't say gentle cleanser, but it feels very gentle. So I do like the cleanser. The oil, I'm gonna use it on my legs and stuff like that, not in my face, because I'm very scared of oils because they tend to give me milia. That moisturizer, for me, it was a little like too thick. Like, after I put it on, I just felt like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It was just like a lot, but my skin felt amazing. So I'm gonna keep giving it a try. It's not bad. And also the eye cream was cute. I'm not an eye cream person, but I still give it a try. The products, I give it a cute 7 out of 10. It's a cute, clean line. It's not something that is gonna fix, you know? But congratulations, Catherine. The products are bomb. I can't wait to see what else you come out with. But yeah, this is my intake on the 12/12 Gateway collection. So yeah, congratulations once again, and thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Ciao. Besitos.